Right, then some athletics news now. The Portland Police recently topped the Area 2 Athletics Championship for the third consecutive year at the St. Mary's Sports Club with 362 points, shaking off the challenge of St. Mary 328 and St. Anne 298. However, the top male and female athletes were from the St. Anne Police Division. Corporal Nicholas Fraser, who amassed 43 points, was also the overall champion male athlete, while the top female was Constable Garnisha Campbell with 34 points. Meanwhile, a notable performer was former two-time champion male Constable Jermaine Douglas, who defended his 100-meter title to be sprint champion for a third year.
Can have some back injuries from last year, but we're still working. Training is the hallmark. Put in the hard work. You must come out successful.
Meanwhile, St. Mary Police Division was adjudged the most disciplined team. Area 2 will now select a team to represent the region at the two-day national championships set for GC Foster College on May 29 and 30.